Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to set a sale limit order on Photon 2025 step by step. So let's get started. So first off, you just have to search Photon SOL. Make sure that you also have the Phantom extension. As you can see, just install that right here. As you can see, I have the Phantom wallet in here. So you must have to install this extension and just go to your Photon after that. Now once you're in here, just connect your wallet to your Phantom wallet. Now once you are done with the logging in for your Photon, as you can see, you just have to go to trending or anything anywhere you want, but I just have to choose trending, and I just have to choose whenever or whatever SOL. So example this. So as you can see in here, you could see here buy now, buy dip, and stop buy. And there's also a wallet in here, S1, S2, S3. So what we have to do is just click sell in here and click auto sell. Once that's done, you just click stop loss in here and just give the percentage that you want and also sell amount, and it will expire whatever you input in here. And you could also take profit. It depends on you. As you can see in here, once that's done, you should create order. After that, you have sold a limit order on your Photon 25. So thanks for watching. I hope my video is helpful, and see you in the next one.